What's up guys, welcome back to another daily video. In this video I'll be showing you my breakdown on the SP500, Alibaba, Apple, and our expected move for Nvidia on Thursday's earning. So this is the SP500 today at 11:48 a.m. and I just drew a line really quick to see what's gonna happen afterwards, and then it kind of did what I asked for, and then that's nice. So I hope you guys lock in profit this morning to selling the SPY calls. And I sold my SPY calls this morning for a good $80 profit, bought at 184, sold at 240, and I got into Alibaba put for next Friday, and I'll show you why in just a second. Let's take a look at our SPX. What we noticed yesterday, the SPX expected move yesterday was at $52, and in just one single trading day yesterday, the SPX moved outside the expected range, and then today we bounced back inside the expected range, and then the expected move is now $42 for Friday. So the SPX is going to show a green day tomorrow just to stay within the expected move. Is it accurate 100%? Nope, but I will follow it because it's every single day or single week it respects the trend line and the expected move. So let's take a look at chart. This is the 115-minute chart on the SPX today, and what we noticed today. Yesterday I told you guys 27.31 a support. If we break that, we run to 27.42. This right here, 27.42. And then you see right here, every time we touch close or break 27.42, we come back down. And then we did it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7 times today. And then every time we bounce to 27.31, we bounce 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And then at the end of the day, it was kind of sell off below 27.31, but that's okay because we are again outside the expected move. So tomorrow it should be okay green day, and then it's gonna fade away again, just like today. So tomorrow I'm expecting the SPX to touch the 27.44, and then once we rejected that point, it's gonna be a sell-off and then continue sell-off to next week. Okay, if we cannot break the 27.41, 27.42 right here, and then we are below the 20 days moving average, which is a sign of very bearish momentum. Just remember that we are in a bear market. Just look at what happened today. Everything was green in the morning, green after lunch, and then boom, straight sell off afternoon. Okay, let's take a look at Alibaba. Why I want to buy a put on Alibaba. Alright, TD inventory is being very slow. But anyways, this is Alibaba's chart. This is one day, 1 hour. And as you can see, today we failed to break up the 150 range. So we tried to touch the 150, and then we got rejected straight back down. You can see this is a wick right here. Every time we see this wick, it's not a good sign. It's a bearish momentum. And what happened after we see this? We just come back down. So, and then we have a gap to be filled right here, and then the next support is 140 right here. And just remember, another gap right here is right here. Every time we see this gap, it has to be filled. It's just a matter of time. Just remember, you see gaps, it's gonna be filled. And the signs will tell us when it's gonna get filled. And the signs coming today. We fail 150, coming back down. Tomorrow, very likely to retest the 150 again, or 148, 149. We fail, we come back down to 140. So I gotta put 135 for next Friday. I think it's gonna be a good play. I'm not saying you can get a put right now, but this is the sign I see that Alibaba is going to come down, especially the trade talks is on November 30th. So the news is on November 30th. What's gonna happen now? People will get maybe scared or wait till the news. No buyers coming in. So Alibaba is gonna fall down. Let's go to Apple. Great, chart pops up. This is Apple 15-minute chart, and then it was very choppy again today. Do not get into Apple because there are room to fall, and then that's not good news, so I don't see it running back up. And if you look at the MACD for Apple today, it was very choppy. And then towards the end of the day, we have red candles forming on the MACD, and the MACD crosses together. So until tomorrow, if this if the blue line keeps staying up the yellow line, then Apple is gonna bounce a little bit. This is my prediction for tomorrow. We can bounce to 195 right here, because every time I hit the 195 area, I got shut back down. So one time right here, one time right here, 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times there. Comes to 195 area, comes back down. And then once it does, we are going to fill the gap at 187 or 190 first, and 187, and then back to 175. Those are the 2 gaps I see. Let me show you here, it'll be more clear. If my internet is bad today, oh my goodness. So the gap has to be filled right here, and then we did just that. The next gap is right here, and then we have to fill it. This gap may be filled in the long run, but we have to fill this gap right here at 190 and 187. So as you can see, I drew a support line right here, the next support, and then we are just very close to the next support at 188. But the first thing I'll see is 190, and the Apple is below the 200 days moving average, so be careful with that. Will I get a put? No, I would not, because this is in a no man's land. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.